Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to install Shiprocket app on your Shopify store. Right now, as you can see, we are into Shiprocket. We have simply logged in into Shiprocket and we are on home page, right? And here we have just clicked on channels, and here we will simply select the Shopify app, right? You just need to create an account on Shiprocket, and after creating an account on Shiprocket, just go to the home page, and from there you will find the channels option, and you just need to add the Shopify as a channel, right? So creating an account on Shopify Shiprocket is quite easy, right? Okay, let's add it, right? So we have simply clicked on add. Okay, it will automatically redirect us to the Shopify store. Okay, so keep your Shopify store logged in the same browser in the another tab. Okay, so here we need to click on install. Okay sir, so I'm getting your point, right? Okay, we are back to the home page, right? And here, as you can see, the two options are getting displayed. The first one is recharge wallet and the second one is complete KYC, right? And we have successfully added the Shopify store. So you need to complete all these steps, right? You need to add some 200 or 250 bucks in your Shiprocket account, right? So that Shiprocket instantly takes care of your shipping of the product, right? Whatever the order you receive on your Shopify store. Second, you need to complete your KYC. It is also a mandatory part. Then only Shiprocket will ship your orders, right? So we have successfully installed and activated the Shiprocket app on our Shopify store, right? And the second step is to recharge your wallet, and the third step is to complete your KYC. So as soon as you receive any order, Shiprocket will automatically update the order details. We are into Shopify, and when we click on the apps and click on the Shiprocket, right? So as you can see, these access are given to the Shopify, right? Automatically. Okay, so our particular app is already activated. We need not to activate this app, and it would automatically take care of all the orders, right? So in this manner you can simply connect your Shopify store to your Shiprocket app. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.